it's Paige, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, I have one of these on and it says Paige Joseph slime time. So, this is because I did a slime thing at school and I also got my nails painted, which are really nice.
How much did you pay for your nails?
20p. And I made 2 slimes of my own. The rest we sold, but the other girls made so many and I decided to sell all the ones I made. So I'm just going to show you them. Before I do that, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so you're notified every time I upload. Comment down below what you'd like to see in the next video. Also comment down below hashtag what club, so maybe you'll get a shout out in my next video. I have slime on me. And also comment down below what club you're in. Are you in the Famalam, Squishy, Slime, mermaid or unicorn? Comment that down below. And also, guys, I'm going to be showing you my paper squishies today. So let's just show you the slimes. So these 2 are the slimes I made. I made this pink one, cloud slime, and there's like greeny browny one which I made. So let's feel it. Very stretchy. It's got a lot of bicarbon. So it's super stretchy. Nice, let's poke it. I'll show you guys some over. That's that slime. Again, guys, my pause button's not working, so I can't pause it. So that's my cloud slime. Well, not my cloud slime. This one's got like confetti stars in it. And it's... Oh, I didn't scent one of my slimes. One of them scented salted caramel. Oh, it might have been that one actually. I'm going to smell it. I'm pretty sure it scented some slime. I don't know which one it was. So let's do a cloud slime. Now, I can't open it. I can't smell anything. It's so... It's not really cloudy, but it's really nice and soft. It's stretchy. It's got a really nice... It feels like jelly cube slime. Because all these, so if you cut open the nappy bit that goes inside, which is inside of the nappy, so if you cut that open, you get all this like fluff, and I mixed that with water and added it in to this slime, and it's gone all jelly cubes. So let's show you from above. Humongous, and it's so soft. So there, that's the jelly cube slime. Come on, feel my jelly cube slime. It's more of a feel my jelly cube slime. It's really jelly-ish. It's got like little chunks of jelly in it. Smell my jelly slime, jelly slash cloud. It's gone really soft. Oh my god. Okay, that nail varnish is bad. Okay, that is it.
Paige. He's going in.
I know it is. Right, I'm going to put it in the container.
You must get it off.
Yes, me too. Jelly cube slime, guys. Never make it that way. I think I did the wrong thing when I did that way. I like that slime best though. Even though it's a weird colour. I still like it. So now let's go upstairs, guys, and show you guys my paper squishy. Pardon? I will. My bedroom is a mess, guys. I'm not able to show you. Okay, right. Let me get all my paper squishies. I think that's all of them. I'm not sure. It is, I think. Okay, we're out of the mess now. So, I'll show you guys all my paper squishies. So yeah. So, first one is one of my worst ones, and this is a unicorn one I made. Now, I thought this would be really easy to make, but seeing as though I got it off the internet, I didn't think about the horn or anything, so I had to trace it on the back. But this is it. It's really nice. It's not really very squishy. Like I said, it's really bad. But it's got a whole plastic bag in it. But this is one of my worst squishies I've ever made. Oh, I've got more paper squishies in my bag. Oh well. This one isn't a paper squishy, but it's just a homemade one. This is a zip-up bag with cotton inside, and this is my fluffy cat. I put a hole in it up at the top, and it's really slow rising, and it actually rises. So cool. So yes, I'm not going to show you guys the whole process. One of my absolute favourite, oh, let me show you my duct tape ones next. So these are all my moon ones because they're all made with this colour. So let me just get them. And these do have a plastic bag inside. So yeah. They actually hold the hand crinkles pretty well. It's really hard to squish. It's like it's hard. So then I have this big one, which is ginormous. Hold the hand crinkles. Super cool squishy. My softest one I got, this is like my favourite duct tape squishy. Very light and airy and so slow rising. It's really slow rising. You can tell it's rising, but really slowly. I'm going to squish it like not much, so you guys can see how it rises out. It's really squishy. And then my miniest one, which is the little one as well. This one's not squishy. This one's really hard. This one's a really bad one. It's like really hard here. Yeah, that's in a packaging. So, moving on, I'll do my eggs. This is I got an egg carton, basically. And I made squishy eggs, and I used paper grass filling. They're my squishy eggs. So, show you more. I have 2 series of these, so I have to show you them. And this egg. And this egg. And this egg. And then this egg. I think I showed you this one. Can't how many I've shown you. And then my last one, which is my favourite egg. Oops. Yeah. So, I have 2 series. I'm just going to show you like my random ones first. So, let me get them all out. Right. Do fruit series. I've got 2 fruits here, guys. There you are. And I've got my random one and this one. Oh, and this one. I think they're all my random ones I've got. Yeah, should be. So, the first random one is this one. I'll do this one. These are ones that are made out of sponge with sellotape. Oh, let me shove back. Sellotape wrapped around them. They're really cute. They're adorable. Okay, so this one came out first. This is a teeny weeny one. So adorable. Yep. And then we've got 3 more. I made 4 of these. I didn't have enough sponge left on them. This one. I like this one. Really squishy. This one, which is, again, really nice and squishy. I should have wrapped the whole sponge up, but I didn't. I wanted to make little. These are all hearts to start off with. It's not very sterilizing, but it's really soft. So yeah. So that's background noises today. Right. My other random one. Okay. First is this just one. I did. These were. I tell you one of my series. I've got a vegetable series, and I had this piece of paper left over, and I didn't know what to do with it. I just did random squiggles on it. So this is one of my random ones because it's a random. Comment down below, guys, if you want to see any paper squishies and stuff I've made. Then next I'll do this key lime. Well, this is meant to represent key lime pie because, oh my gosh, I love key lime pie. It's so nice. So here's the lime. Love the smell of key lime pie too. I'm not gonna lie, if you've ever tried key lime pie. So yeah, the next one is my one that my friend gave me, and this is my favorite paper squishy. Like I'm gonna do this one last because it's my favorite one. I'll do this football next. This was really bad. Then I've got this orange. This one's really nice and soft. That's really... Yeah, I know, I'm just showing everyone my squishies. I need to tidy up my room, so... Yeah. This is also, like, this isn't one of my favourite ones, but I love the design on this. Look how cool that is. Like, I wanted to do a watermelon, but then I cut out, like, this sort of shape, and I thought, well, I want to do the actual watermelon without the red inside. But it didn't, like, I wanted it around shape, but because I had to, like, because this bit was folded and I had to do it on the crease of it, it didn't quite work. So, I just squiggled in the red. Sausage roll!
Yeah, sausage roll. No, I didn't.
Yeah. And then I have this jar. This is quite a big squishy. Like, it isn't my biggest paper squishy. My biggest paper squishy is there. Wait, let me compare the unicorn to it. Yeah, it's still bigger. So yeah, this is a peach. The actual peach colour. Instead of a pink one. Or an apricot, whatever you want to say, guys. That's really soft. Then my last favourite paper squishy is this one. Best friend, and my friend Charlotte gave me this. And it's my softest squishy and my favourite squishy. Yeah. And as soon as I like, it's just a really good squishy.
I'm just gonna put on the toilet.
Shut up, Jen. Right, now I'm going to show you my crisps. Okay, you can play with that. My crisp series. So I only have...
Squeeze this hard and let it pop.
No, it won't pop. You can squeeze it as hard as you want. So I'll show you these ones first. These ones are my little Doritos or nachos or... I don't feel them. These are in a little bag. I'm not going to take them out. They're not really good. My favourite and my biggest squishy and my softest squishy is this bag of chips or crisps or whatever you guys call them. I've got cheese crisps. And these are so nice. Open them.
I'll show them the pizza.
No, that's not a pizza.
A pizza.
Jen, no.
A pizza.
Jen, no. I don't want to see it, yes. You can help me show them.
A pizza.
Okay, looks like we're doing the vegetable series now. You show them the sweet corn.
Sweet corn.
Then I made this broccoli. I was going to do that last. And I like how it's blended in. Okay, it blends in. Then I have this. What is that? Brussels sprout, I think that is. This aubergine or whatever it's called. I really like these.
Sprout.
And a little Brussels sprout. I love this one. It's just so cute.
Peas.
Carrots. A bunch of carrots.
I don't know what
That's
that.
a cherry tomato.
Tomato.
Now then, you do that one. And then I've got
What is it?
lettuce.
What is it?
Carrot.
Carrot.
And also a potato. This one's really soft, of course. You have to do a potato. Now moving on to my pillow series. I have 4 of these. I'll go smallest to largest. So, first one is this little happy one. Obviously, this is the series. I made packaging for these. Comment down below if you want to see me how to make packaging.
And then this
Then
squishy's next, and it is a big squishy. A big Puma one.
Jen.
Ready? No, I want a squishy. It's a box, guys. Look.
Yeah, that's where all my squishies go in. Right, put all these squishy back in there for me. No. Great. The next one is this my favourite one. Not for the squishiness, but for the decoration. So let's open this at the bottom and get it open. It's a damn really good cake. He's sleeping. It's a cake. It's meant to be one of them Rilakkuma, not Rilakkuma, Punimaru cake slice. That's what it's meant to be. Very soft. So yeah, I got that one. And then my last 2 is hello, Henry. Excuse me.
What?
Excuse me. I'm talking to Henry. Okay, he's just going to sit playing with the pig. He's putting his paw on one. Henry, no. Right, move. Then I made this monster one. I should have decorated this one before I taped it, but you know I didn't. And that's the back.